Hello, hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little short sound demonstration video. And it's for one of our Etsy listings, and it's to accompany that listing to enable you to come and have a listen. And it's for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. This is a horse skin shamanic drum, and it's on a 14-inch oval frame here. It's made from willow wood, the frame. We've got a hazel branch handle. On the handle here, I've burnt in the Nordic compass, the Wegweiser compass here, the symbols, to enable you to always find your way back to where it is that you come from and the direction that you need to go in. So that's beautiful. I like that. It's laced with artificial sinew, which is very strong and resistant to the effects of moisture, which is often the problem with shamanic drums, that we have to tune them, and moisture affects the tension in the skin of the drum. So if it becomes too moist, we need to warm the drum to tighten it. If it becomes too hot, we need to add moisture to relax it. So they need a lot of nurturing and a lot of love, and the sinew helps a little bit with that. It's one less thing to have to worry about. On the inside of the frame, I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I've also put willow and horse, so that you'll always have a reference to the materials that we used to birth the drum, so you can always reconnect with their energies whenever you feel that need. I've also put the date of birth, and it's 12th of September 2022, night in Paris, UK, and that's to enable you to look at the astrological aspects, find out what was happening on the day when the drum was birthed, and moving forwards into the future as well. So I'm going to play with two beaters, a firm beater and a softer beater. This is a firmer beater. I'll swap over halfway to see if you will be able to tell the difference between the two, but you can see which is your preference. Here we go. Beautiful. It's got a lovely sound for 14-inch. Nice big sound. Reasonably deep as well. Softer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you come in to choose your shamanic drum online. It's very difficult. You need to be able to hear the sound, and that's why we make these little videos. So that's beautiful. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.